Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a painting for Ben Azelart. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway, so if you would like to know how to enter, stay tuned to the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. For this painting, I'm going to be using the 24 by 36 canvas. Time to sketch! Time to get our art supplies. Ben is coming over in a few minutes. I'm so excited to show him the painting. Let's go.
Oh! This is insane. The view is crazy. Oh, it's out here. No, it's out here. Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
What? That's so sick. Oh my god. Dude, I love it. Thank you so much. That's sick. Wow. Oh my god. It looks more like me than I look like myself. This has been in the works for so long. We finally made it happen. I love it. I love it.
Yay!
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
I feel like it could look good anywhere, you know?